So in statistics we have another concept that is mode. So what is mode? Mode is the size of variable which occurs more frequently. Mode is the size of the variable which occurs most frequently. Or mode is that value among the observations which occurs most frequently. Mode is that value among the observations which occurs most frequently. The frequently occurring value is known as mode. Okay, so we going to discuss this mode in detail with some example. First, mode of ungrouped data. Mode of ungrouped data. Example, find the mode of 5, 6, 9, 10, 6, 12, 3, 6, 11, 10, 4, 6 and 7. Okay, to find the mode of this one, we have to arrange in an order. So any order, either increasing order or decreasing order. So among these, which is the smallest one? 3. 3 is the smallest one. After 3, 4. So 3 is over, 4 is over. After 4 we have 5. 5 is also over, 5. Okay, now 6, another 6, another 6. Okay, and here also 6. After 6 we have 7. After 7 we have no 8, only 9. Okay, 9 is there. Okay, 9 and 10. Okay, and 11 and 12. Okay, and okay, so 10 is also repeated. 10 is also repeated. So 10 is 2 times here and here. Okay, now all values are completed. So these are in ascending order. So here 3 is 1 time, 4 is 1 time, 5 is 1 time, and 6 is how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. 7 is 1 time, 9 is 1 time, 10 is 2 times, 11 is 1 time, 12 is also 1 time. So the 6 is repeated most frequently. Okay, so therefore mode of the given data. So most occurring value, most occurring observation is 6. So 6 is the mode of this given data. Okay, and take another example. Find the mode of 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6. So answer. So this data is arranged already in a ascending order. So 2 is 3 times, 3 is also 3 times, 4 is also 3 times, 5 is also 3 times, 6 is also 3 times. All the observations are 3 times. So therefore, among these, which is most occurring value? All are equally repeated. So there is no mode for the given data, because all are equally repeated. Therefore, if we observe any observation, 2 is 3 times, 3 is 3 times, 4 is 3 times, 5 is also 3 times, 6 is also 3. All are equally repeated. So we can say there is no mode for this given data. And take another example. Find the mode of 2, 7, 6, 5, 2, 8, 2, 5, 7, 5, 10. So find the mode of this given data. So what we do? We have to arrange this given data in a particular order, in ascending order or descending order. So which is the smallest one? 2 is the smallest one. So 2, this 2, and here is also 2, and here is also 2. So 2 is 3 times, and after 2 there is no 4, only 5. Okay, 5, and here is also 5, and here is also 5. After 5 is there, okay, 6, and is there any 6? No. Now 7 is how many times? 2 times. Okay, 7. After 7, 8 is how many times? Only 1 time, 8. Then 10. Okay, so these are the data. This data is arranged in ascending order. So 2 is 3 times, 5 is 3 times, and 6 is 1 time, 7 is 2 times, 8 is 1 time, 10 is 1 time. So the mode of the given data is equal to, so here 2 is 3 times and 5 is 3 times, and remaining are less than 3 times. So here we have two values. So the mode of the given data is 2 and 5. 2 and 5 are the mode of the given data. So here we have two mode values. So from these three examples here, for this given data there is a mode exists, and that mode is only one observation, 6. And for this we did not have any mode value, because all are equally repeated. So there is no mode for this given data. And for this given data we have two mode values. What are those? 2 and 5. 2 and 5 are the mode values. So from this we conclude that for the given data, there may exist mode or not. For a given data there may exist mode value or may not have mode value. So this is the first one. And second one, if there exists mode value, if there exists mode, then the mode value may be 1 or more than 1. The mode value may be one value or more than one value. So here we have, in example 3 we have mode values. How many mode values? We have 2 values, and in example 1 we have mode value 1, and in example 2 we did not have any mode value. So therefore we can conclude that for the given data there exists a mode or may not exist mode value. If there exists mode value, then the mode value may be one value or more than one value. So these points we have to remember to find the mode for the given data. Okay.